Welcome to our tutorial on creating draft messages in Logistifie Dispatch Software. We'll guide you through setting up draft messages, SMS, and emails. Let's get started. First, let's create a draft message. Click on your profile, scroll down to Draft Message, and click on it. In the new window, click Add New. Enter the generic notes for all jobs, including the specific pickup address, conditions, and the draft message. When you're done, click Submit to see your new details appear in the table. You can edit anytime from clicking Edit button under Action Table. Click Go Back again to return to the main dashboard. Next, let's create a draft SMS. In the account details, scroll down and click on Draft SMS, just below Draft Message. In the first table, select one of the options to set the SMS. At the bottom, you'll find the draft SMS. Review it to check if any changes are needed. If it's not satisfactory, edit the text to create your customized message. Click Save to save your draft SMS. Finally, let's create a draft email. Go back to the account and scroll to Draft Email. Here, you can select one of the options to configure the email template. Each option has its specific email template. Review the template, and if everything is satisfactory, click Save to save the template. And that's how you create draft messages, SMS, and emails in Logistifie Dispatch Software. If you have any questions, reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. See you next time.